LASIK surgery is common nowadays for correction of eye defects. A laser is applied to change the shape of the cornea. This model simulates an eye. A convex lens represents the eye lens. It's covered with a black plastic sheet with an opening at its center. The cornea is made from gelatin. A sharp image of letter F is now formed on the white paper screen. In a short-sighted eye, light from a distant object is focused in front of the retina. To show how short sight is corrected by LASIK surgery, we first heat a spatula in a hot water bath. The heated spatula imitates the laser used in the LASIK surgery. Then we use the spatula to flatten the curvature of the gelatin cornea to reduce its refractive power. The screen has to be moved further away from the lens to recapture a sharp image. This means light is focused at a point further away from the lens. With careful adjustment, the image can be fallen back on the retina, and the short-sighted eye can be corrected. Long sight can also be corrected by LASIK surgery. We replace the used gelatin cornea to a new one and adjust the screen position for a sharp image. In a long-sighted eye, light from a near object is focused beyond the retina. This time we heat a ring-shaped metal wire and press it on the gelatin cornea to form a donut shape on the topmost surface. This increases the curvature of the cornea effectively and increases the converging power of the eye. The screen has to be moved closer to the lens to recapture a sharp image. This means light is focused at a point closer to the lens. With careful adjustment, the image can be fallen back on the retina and the long-sighted eye can be corrected.